Hello, everybody. This is Kevin Musk from Lantek Systems here at the FABTECH 2019 show. We're at booth A3521 if you're interested in coming to see some technology for your machines. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about our Lantek Expert Inside Software. So this software is actually on the CNC control. So I'm here with Fagor, and they're one of our partners. What this allows is operators to see the nest on their control, but then also modify it. So if there's any parts that may seem troublesome or may need re-engineering, they can take those out when they see they're cut improperly and add new ones in. Another thing that we allow is filler parts. So if there's ever any parts that you need to cut to stock and you're always cutting them to stock and turning them over, this allows us to automatically see if there's any space on the sheet to add those parts in. So now you can get the most utilization out of your sheet and not waste any time doing it. The whole pitch for the Lantek Expert Inside on the machine control and bringing this nesting offline is to give some autonomy to the machine operator. So this allows them to work on the fly, and that's what Industry 4.0 is all about, giving autonomy to all of your workers and allowing them to make decisions on their own, essentially. But if you'd like to see any of the Lantek products, feel free to visit us at booth A3521, and we'll be here through Thursday. Have a great show.